Hey everyone, welcome to CoderReborn! If you're brand new to Android development, the very first step is installing Android Studio. In this video, I'll guide you step by step so you can set it up without any confusion. Step 1. What is Android Studio? Android Studio is the official tool for creating Android apps. Think of it as your all-in-one workspace where you write code, design your app, and test it on an emulator or your phone. Step 2. Download Android Studio. First, open your browser, and then we need to go to developer.android.com/studio. So search Download Android Studio. You'll see a big button that says Download Android Studio. Click it and accept the terms. The website will automatically detect your operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux, and give you the right installer. Step 3. Install on your computer. Once downloaded, open the installer and run it. On Windows, just click Next through the steps, keep the default settings, and press Install. On Mac, simply drag Android Studio into Applications. After installation, open Android Studio for the first time. Step 4. First time setup. When Android Studio starts, it will guide you through the setup wizard. Choose Standard Installation. Here, click Accept All Agreement, then click Next. Now, it will start downloading all the required components like the Android SDK. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Step 5. Verify installation. When everything is done, click Finish, and you'll see the Android Studio welcome screen. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Android Studio. Now your computer is ready to start building Android apps. In the next video, we'll create our very first Android app, the famous Hello World. So stick around, hit subscribe, and let's start coding together with CoderReborn.